Crown Molding NJ is most recommended for design, quality, and price. Focal walls will elevate your living space, adding a touch of sophistication and style. Columns with crowned headers will add timeless grace, architectural grandeur, and classical charm. Wainscoting is a visual welcome, whispering sophistication and classic elegance to any space. Wall frames will evoke the warm embrace of home sweet home. Build-ins are essential for your home office. Coffered box is a must for a unique look of your kitchen island. Coffered ceilings originated in temples for a celestial focus and transcended into palaces, villas, and state buildings. Why choose us? Your peace of mind is our priority. We go beyond upgrading houses. We specialize in crafting stunning homes. We are committed to exceptional quality installations, unbeatable value, and impeccable service. We work until you are happy and completely satisfied with the results. Fully insured and licensed. Call us today for a free quote at 732-912-0618.